Y'all really just let me talk all that time. I appreciate y'all finally saying no audio. Appreciate that. Now market's open, so all right, things I gotta like look at things now. But I definitely said what's up to like everyone up to the no audio. But yeah, top of the morning incense, pop top of the morning, Bolito, top of the morning, Dominique, top of the morning, will to the feed. Y'all make sure to smash the like button. What is it? Natasha, good morning. Good morning, Jerry. Good morning, Scott. Good morning, Shalufsky. And what's crazy is when he said the thing about spy puts, I had just said something about spy puts. All right, we got Netflix testing a new low. Yeah, this is lower than its low from yesterday. But I'm gonna give it a little bit to start the day first. I feel like it's trying to shake it off. All right, let's see. Let's see. Oh yeah, top of the morning Mahishu, top of the morning Jay Wells, top of the morning D Scurv. Let's see. Mr. Rock, good morning. Or Mr. 23 Rock. Kong, top of the morning. Bro, it's okay, it's weird. It's showing y'all's at names today and it's throwing me off because it normally shows y'all's names. But it's showing y'all's at names. So I'm like, yo, did y'all change y'all's name? But no, it's just displaying y'all's names differently. Travis, top of the morning. Anella, good morning. Let's see. Yeah, Palantir trying to go up to the top. But yeah, we had a good start today. We got CPI in, and man, I'm really annoyed that audio wasn't on at first. Yeah, I was saying lots of good stuff. Edward, top of the morning. But now I'm like, yo, I gotta watch this a little closer. Let's see how things looking. Hey, anyone who hopped on a Netflix yesterday? Hey, that was a move. That was a move yesterday. Right now, it's I'm down on it, but I'm still hopeful for that. Let me see. Oh yeah, I wanna. Hey, make sure y'all press the live button in the bottom right or bottom left corner. I guess. I think it's usually next to the volume. If you see live, make sure you click on that. Make sure the button's red, so you know you're caught up in real time because people do get left behind on this stream, unfortunately. Oh y'all gotta take some supplements. Make sure I'm all balanced out and whatnot. Let's see. All right, we got the spy trying to go for it. Oh, we're only like 4 minutes in. Let's see what the market gives us today. Yeah, we got some big earnings next week. Big earnings. Here, let me see Netflix on the 1 hour real quick. I'm still riding that Netflix. This is a 1 hour. Let's see the 4. Oh yeah, there's yeah, on the daily chart. Yeah, we were at the 200 moving average. And yeah, we got a lot of buying pressure up till at least the 113. A lot of buyers down here on Netflix. I'm hoping the buyers can show up today. Hoping, like we'll see what happens, but I'm hoping it can get to like 140. Oh shoot, I saw some little party hats and stuff. Appreciate y'all. See, we're leaning on 81% red. I think we have some data in 15 minutes. Hey, real quick, real quick. So apparently we get flash manufacturing PMI, flash manufacturing or flash services PMI in 9 minutes. Bolito, when you say Amazon, what's your question about Amazon? Like when, just know that when you ask a question, if you want me to know what you mean, I'm gonna need more context because I have Amazon on screen right here, but the question mark can mean a lot of things. So like, yo, help me help you, or at least like help me provide clarity, provide me clarity. You're in a long for Amazon. Oh, I'm in a long for Amazon too. That's what this means. So I've been in since like 211 over here, and Amazon has earnings next week. Amazon is actually like undervalued in my opinion, and something I'm looking for Amazon to do. I would think it can at least come to 240 or like an all-time high, but right now it's on the right path. Like we can probably draw an upward trend line now where it is. Let's see. I don't know about how it's going to do on the day, but coming into earnings, I think it should continue to rise. Hold up, I just got an alert for something. Let me check that out. Oh, that was for Rigetti. Hold up. Oh, I forgot to close out I need to close out those puts I grabbed. What are those even worth? Oh, they still got a little worth to them. Let me close them out. Get a little bit for them. All right, yeah, I closed out those 5 puts. Let me alert the family. Real quick. Hold on. Let's see. Oh, right. Whoa, hold up. This happened. Okay. Closed out of SPY puts for 16 per share. There we go. And good morning, good morning. All right. But, oh yeah, I was trying to draw a trend line on Amazon. Let's see. See. I feel like I got too much going on here. I don't really need this old level anymore. You can go to like a daily. That's kind of ugly. Yeah, we'll keep it like that for now. off to a good start though. We'll see how things kind of close though. All right, so SPY is already kind of like pushing its highs. We got data in like 5 minutes. Let me hop in Moomoo, look at kind of the numbers. Netflix already kind of dying on me. They might just kill it. Oh yeah, they got a lot of volume in today. Okay. Would you say paying for more charts on TradingView is it? I honestly think it depends. I would say it depends. Honestly, you don't need to use TradingView for more charts, but for me, it's helpful. Like specifically because I stream, it is nice. Like say I was just trading a SPY, like it's good to be able to see it on 3 different time frames because it's doing different things on different time frames. But I would honestly say if you are, I don't know, if you can wait like a month to buy TradingView if you're looking at buying it, their Black Friday is usually when I buy TradingView because I get it for like it's like 70, I think like 70% off. It's still more than I'd like to pay, but it's like I'll say it's worth it. Just make sure you actually like understand charting and all that, or you're willing to learn and all that. Hold up, Google is at all time highs. There goes Google. Yeah, they broke over. Hold up, why am I not? Did I not do anything with? Why am I not in Google? I feel like I took a trade on Google this week. I just don't remember it. I think I took a trade on Google though. You say yeah, it's like 300 a year or something like that. I feel like I paid like two something for the pro or something like that. I would like pull this down and check, but I don't know. I don't want like certain information to pop up, so I'm not going to check that right now. Yeah, definitely have to check it later. All right. Okay. So we should have just got the data. Let me. Yeah, I'm gonna go down to 5 minute on this SPY over here. Yeah, we're pushing up kind of hard. Yeah, we're almost to the pre-market liquidity, we might get a little push down there. Yeah, because we got some sellers up here at this, or at least on the lower time frame. It might be fast. Here, let me come back to the 15 real quick. If we pull back to like 675, that might be a buy area too. It's like it's a fast moving kind of day. Volume's kind of low though. Like the volume has been dying down all week. So this is like a low volume push up. Here, let me refresh and see what that data, how the data came out. Manufacturing services came, okay. Low higher. All right, outside of the SPY taking off, is there anything really moving? I like a pickup on the SPY. If SPY can come back to like 675, 64, I might like that. Oh, AMD, hold up. Zoom out. What's the highest AMD? Is this all-time highs for AMD? What AMD is at all-time highs. Okay. Let's get it. So let me check my portfolio. I got a solid amount of, or not a solid amount, but yeah, I got some AMD. Oh yeah, yeah, we up today. I'm up like 82% on my AMD after dollar cost averaging. Yo, let's go AMD. KRE. Take a quick look at KRE. It's up, but it's in a downtrend. Like it's still in a downtrend like right now. Ranges. Like I would need it to get above like 62, 62.30 or so before I start entertaining it. But you know, it's having a little morning pop, rising on the day. Hey, what plays are we in? I'm still riding my Amazon calls. I'm still riding my Meta calls. I'm still stuck in my Netflix. That Netflix was a good call. It just I didn't have the day trade, but I definitely shared when I would have when it was a good time to take profit on it though. Close your Palantir calls. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff. Yeah, Palantir ran to the top of the range. Let's check back in on them. Let's see if they can come up to 188. All right, SPY pulling back a little bit. See if they can get to this once again, like this here, we'll draw this right here. It came close, but it didn't exactly come all the way down. Wait, what is this? It's a 5-minute. 10. Good stuff, D Scurv. Hey, Lucky J, what's up? Happy Friday. Could use some dollar bills. Hey, you and me both. They just kind of took it off at open. Well, we're still in the first 30 minutes, though. Kind of see. It's like there's kind of that rush of Friday, but also there's still like the need to semi play patience. And let me check in on Akla real quick. Oh yeah, it's still. Let's check the VIX. All right, the VIX is down. Open door killing. I don't I don't trust open. Yeah, I had to buy a whole new set of tires. Like it was earlier this. It might have been Tuesday. Yeah, it was not fun. Dropping like 1,200 on some tires. Yeah, open. Yeah, open does have a solid move. It's up $1. I was like, I can't chase that, but it's up $1. Yeah, anyone who got in at this 200 moving average, there was some money there. Uber, Amazon. Yeah, so here, let's take a look at Uber. Let's see. Amazon is doing what it needs to. Those premiums should juice like coming into next week, coming into their earnings. Next week they'll be juiced up a little bit more. Now if Uber, Amazon, Google, okay. Hey, Google's already doing this thing. Yeah, I would say Google is already shooting for it. Henry, you say, yeah, I got a Highlander. Tires are for the full, like all four. Yeah, it's not fun. I think my tires would have been like just under 1,400 or like, or was it like 1,360 or something? But they told me the tires were there when they weren't, so they like discounted it, so it was like 1,200 instead. I was like, hey, I was like, I'll take it. It was just a little annoying because I was sitting there like waiting with the car, and it's like, yo, it doesn't take that long to change tires when you got all the tools and stuff. I'm like, yo, look at the NASCAR people. They go in there, it's like, yo, it's like seconds. You know, they go in there, it's a pit stop. I'm like, yo, hey, let's get it done like a pit stop. But it is what it is. Oh, and there goes Reddit. Yeah, they definitely were sales tacticking me. All right, so Uber's trying to establish some comfort above this 200 moving average. That's a good look for Uber. Oh, hold up. OSCR back around like sub 20 around this yeah, around this 200 moving average. I kind of like it around this area down here. This oh, I have something down here for like 1695, but this might be one that I have to run it up on next year. We'll see. See what kind of opportunity is provided. Bro, it's like black rain top in the morning. Is a good look for Uber a sympathy play for uh there is nothing if you're looking for something to trade today, like just short time frame, I don't see anything that I would just get in yet. Nothing is moving like that. It's like I think they're good if you want to get some time on them and ride them up. I think they will move up, but right now I'm not seeing anything that's like just ready to go today for profit. Like nothing that's just like obvious. It's just like it's like they always like to mix it up on Fridays. It's a little bit annoying. Right now it's looking like unless you wanted to play like the first 15 minutes, it's looking like they're not really giving much. Is Google moving again? Oh no, nah, it's let's see. I thought I saw that 260. I guess not. But yeah, Google doing its thing. So yeah, I guess Google is, but also that's not anything I want to chase at this point. Google is also, if we look at Google, there's some selling pressure here. So this might, if you're about it, this might be a good point to grab a short on Google. Here, I'll watch Google on like a lower time frame. Like if you're trying to trade zero DTE. So let's see if we can get this to flatten out. This might be a good area to try to get a put. I don't know. We'll see. If you're trying to trade, this is actually the best thing I've seen. But you would want it to slow down or flatten out. It's flattening out on a 2, but yeah, Cabin Friday is usually honestly, yeah, if it slows down by this time, it can usually be slow. And then sometimes it'll just speed up out of nowhere. It's very annoying. But most times Fridays, if you don't have anything by now, is likely not going to be anything. You said Meta looks weak here. Let's see. Let's go to Meta. Take it to the 4 hour. So I'm still riding Meta right here. It's slow. It may be weak on the day, but like I think I have to the 7th on this. I'm just looking through earnings, which is Wednesday next week, and yeah, looking at everything. We on Monday we had the 13 cross above the 48, still making progress. Today it looks like we're pretty darn close from the 13 crossing above the 200, which is like even more bullish. So while it looks slow, the fact that it's holding this level is a good sign. It's just the volume slow. It's a Friday, so I'm not too worried about it right now. It just right now it's just looking boring. It's like not doing anything. So the range on Meta is going to be from like 730 to 742 until we like break out of this range. It's nothing. Like same for Amazon. Amazon like it kind of looks good on the day, but until it like breaks and holds above 224 is nothing. Google is looking good. Like Google is the only thing I'm really watching right now. Maybe Spy like if it wants to pull back. But if Google looks like it starts flattening out, if it looks like let me go back to a 5. When it looks like it starts losing momentum, there will likely be like some like quick money thing or some possible day trade depending on what point in the day it looks like. bull looks like it's found this. Hold up. Let's see. Let's see. Let me see what you talking about, will to the feed. Possibly. I don't fully think it's necessarily done because we're still like until it confirms above like 1164, it's still like making the lower lows and lower highs. There is that there is this area over here, this 1052 that it hit that we can see there's buying pressure at, but I would say I'm not like fully convinced that it's found its way up yet until it confirms above this 6 or 1162. But yeah, that's a good call out. But yeah, look at Google Go. Hold on, let me actually, Google, they broke out. Let me see what their pre-market was looking like. So their support was over here at 255. Where's the resistance? Okay. It just happened to not be one of the ones I was looking at today. But they're resistant. Why did that not? All right, so. Hey, my nose tickling. Yo, we're sleeping on AMD too. AMD's running too. Hold up. Let me pull that thing back up. Where'd it go? Slide that up. Where's Google? Let me slide that up too. All right, AMD could. Here, let me go to a 5. Yeah, both these things. Yeah. If you look at the weekly on Google, it's looking. Yeah, let's do that. Let's look at the weekly on Google. Yeah, lots of strength. Yes, lots of buying pressure from this 244 area. Let me clear this out. Some of these old trend lines. Yeah, Google doing this thing. Google and AMD. AMD up 7. Hey, yeah, AMD is really doing this thing. AMD is up 7%. $16 on the day. My goodness. Okay, Amazon trying to break. I have to go back to 2022. Oh, hold up. Verizon got rocked. Now doing a little baby run. Dang, that's a long ways. Yeah, dang. Google at $80. Yeah, Google is provided some gains. When you say strength, are you referring so I would say it kind of depends. So when I say strength, like if we look at the candles, here, let's see. Whenever you just see like a continuous like run of candles when it's like pushing like kind of in a straight line, like oh, hold on, wrong. me switch this to something else. All right, so like if we look at Google right now, I would say Google is showing strength because these are strong bullish candles, or like this is showing like a strong trend. All right, whenever it's like moving in one direction, like in an almost straight line or like very linear form, that's going to be showing strength. Whenever you see a big, long, strong candle, like kind of like this one up here, that's going to be a strong trend. Whenever, I don't know, whenever you see it's kind of like trading sideways or like just moving back and forth, that's going to be consolidation. And like really, the longer it kind of goes, the stronger it is. Usually, so I'll say when you hear me say strength, most of the time it's gonna be in reference to just it moving. And then yeah, typically when I'm referring to the RSI, it's gonna be, I'm gonna say overbought or oversold. That's usually how that's gonna be. So yeah, I would say it's I'm referring to the oh, hold on, we got some stuff kind of starting to move now. I'm starting to see some stuff hitting some levels. Hold up, I'm getting some alerts. Tesla and Ford saw the biggest increase in trading in borrowed shares that were sold short among automakers Thursday. Okay. All right, Amazon is above that pre-market level too. We might let's see how the SPY does here, but here, let me take Amazon to a 15, but if Amazon can confirm above this level, they might be able to go too. And then we'll also, like, here, let me bring this back to the SPY, but it's looking like things might get a little more, like, more uppity. So here, we'll see. We'll see. It's possible, but also we're still in like an area where they can say, haha, I gotcha. Oh, I got all this water on my desk. Hold up, I need to get rid of some of these bottles. I'll be right back. I'm like, yo, my desk low key messy. I was like, where are my bottles this morning? They're all on my desk. I'll be right back. Hey, and we back. All right, so my goal is to drink all this water before the stream's over. But if I do, I'm definitely gonna have to pee. So, okay, Amazon is trying to hold it down. Hold up, I need to. Let's come back down to a 5 on Google. We're starting to get some top heavy candles, meaning like it's showing like there's selling pressure up here. So let me see how much Google 0 DTEs are going for. Let's see. SoFi and Hood. Yeah, SoFi, very solid. I saw it earlier. I was like, oh dang. I didn't look at Hood yet, but let me check this. What is it? Google. Yeah, Google is starting to show a little bit of weakness. May be able to get a quick like move down on it. Let's see. Oh, those are calls. Okay. What's that? What's the I see one I'd be willing to go for, but what's the delta? Huh? Okay. This one would just be an on-stream one. Here, let's see if we can. I'd like to see if we can push back up to this if we can get back up to this 261.24. I got one that I'm willing to take. Let me set an alert. Yeah, because it's looking like we got a little weakness right here. It's a cheapie for the record, so it's not gonna be like anything that's just murderous. But definitely think it has the potential to go 100%. The one I'm looking at, say I get my entry. Oh, yeah, Amazon control strength on the climb. Okay, looking good. All right, so we got this. We got one candle closing, or we're still up here. We got one candle potentially about to close above, and then we'll see if it can kind of hold and show that strength. All right, let's see. Let's see with the Google. See what it's going to do if we can come like retest that area. It's like I might like that. Honestly, AMD might be a similar kind of move. Let's see. I don't like AMD as much. Not for a day trade. Oh yeah, Google trying to. Hold up, hold up. I put in an order. I didn't mean to. Okay. Yeah, we got about a minute and a half left on this candle. I'm gonna need Google to go up first before they chill out. Actually, I don't necessarily need that, but still. Oh no. Yeah, it might just move without me. We'll see. I'm gonna still watch the move though. Oh yeah, AMD pulling back a little bit. HC Hen. I really appreciate it. Guys and videos, I've learned quite a lot from your explanations as it was really simple to understand from. Come on now. Nah, you're not dumb. Come on. You said it was simple to understand. That's intelligence right there. That just goes to show you weren't being taught the right way. Or not the right way for you. You know, everybody learns differently. But nah, the fact that you're even trying to look at stocks and stuff, I feel like that shows a level of intelligence right there. But thank you. Glad that you find it kind of easy to learn from. I tried my best to make make it simple. Learn how I would want to be taught. But also, it's getting a little bit harder for me to make it simple because it's like after a certain point, it's like the things that seem so simple and obvious to me, it's like, oh, you kind of like know the stuff now, and it's like, how does one go back to square one? All right, so that contract's starting to go up now. Want to see if it can come back up. I didn't get in on anything on it, but I still like the potential on it. Still think if I can get filled on it, I think I can get like 100% on it. But it might end up running beforehand. Do I ever? No, I not yet. Honestly, I remember saying at the beginning of the year, I was like, oh yeah, I'll get into it this year. But now most of the year is gone. Nah, I've just been focused on options and honestly a lot of other stuff. Honestly, been focused on getting the money up, paying things down and whatnot. Like just improving my overall financial situation because I did this thing called going to college and it really kind of put me behind because I did nothing with it. Okay, that contract's moving up. The contract I was looking at on Google was like there was a I was looking at like a 22 cent entry. It did hit that price for like half a second. Now it's at like 34 cents. But yeah, it's like if it moves another 10 cents, which like if it goes to the area that I was looking at, if it moves to like 44, that would have been or that's 100% move. Just so y'all know what kind of move I was eyeing for the zero DT. But I'm still eyeing it, like still trying to see if we can do that. See what kind of games they throw at us. But if I don't get the right entry, I'm not going in on it. I feel like we could use a Trump headline right now. Something to accelerate. Oh, hold up. Never mind. Never mind. The contract's not moving like that. All right, Amazon still not. Should have bought Aklo when I saw that 117. It's still in a downtrend. Like it's still in a downtrend. Uh, Not necessarily. Here, we can look at it real quick. Where is it at? Here, I'll just type it in. So yeah, we'll have to see how it does at this trend line. Like it very well could go down, but yeah, yeah, when it touched this trend line, yeah, it looks like it was money. It was a money move, or this EMA at least. But yeah, there is a downtrend on it, so we'll see kind of how it does here. He meets with China Primus. Honestly, yo, I hope like if it happens next week, I hope it goes well. But no, actually, I closed out the puts I was in, so I hope whatever goes well. Yeah, there's. So I think the movement we got today with the CPI is because of the expectations for the rate cuts. Yeah, because it's like, oh yeah, we're getting a cut because we saw the inflation. So it's like I would already consider like kind of unless they like do here. Let's see what they're pricing in. Let's look it up real quick. right, so our current. Okay, so yeah, it looks like we have a 96% chance of a uh 25% or 25-point rate cut. Hey, Ramiro, hey, honestly, I would not even know that was you, Ramiro, if I didn't know your little logo because oh, it's showing the at names for some reason. Can I change that? I like when I can see y'all's names. No, I can't. But anyways, yeah, I see your at names like Shady 4268. Good morning, hoping everyone captures some profits. Hey, top of the morning. I got some stuff that's up, but I also locked in some losses today. So we'll see. We'll see. But top of the morning, Romero. Check out the open interest on Bull is January. Really? Okay, that's some unusual activity. We'll have to look that up. We'll have to I'll have to look at that in a second. I was kind of still watching this contract, but honestly, this move down is like kind of killing it, and I might need to relook at the numbers now. Spy, I mean, I wouldn't say it's flat. I would say like it did that annoying thing where it moves like the first 5 to 15 minutes, and then it just it's theta burn. Like it's trying to burn burn theta. You said not sure why mine switched to my name from. Yeah, so there's an at on YouTube. There is an at name here. Like if we go to my YouTube page, here, let's see, real quick, just to kind of explain it to y'all. Let's see. All right, so you see, there's my name. Usually, whatever you have on your YouTube channel, it'll be your name. Like it's a Google account, and then um, you also have an at name associated with it. So mine is at Matthew Manuel 1. So that is that. This is what is showing up in the chat right now for people. Hey, Big Reg, top of the morning. Have a busy day today. Hey, have a blessed day, Mahisha. Have a blessed day. Hold up. Conversation YouTube is now using your handle instead of display name in live chats. This is probably to reduce. Honestly, that's good on YouTube. It's good on YouTube. Just so y'all know, y'all do have the ability to change your app. Just so you know. No, yeah, they love to burn theta on Fridays. But another thing is like sometimes you can really find some opportunities on Fridays. Like if you like come in like midday and you see, hold up, why is Apple? Hold up, Apple is low key. Has some here. Let's see. Apple low key moving to. Let me go to 15. Oh no, that's a little too erratic for me. See SoFi. It's like you gotta scavenge to find stuff today. Oh, hold on, let me see that Google. Yeah, see, this Google is moving just slow enough now. Like now it's like when I identified it over here, when it was like over here, yo, the contract had moved like a good amount, but now like 10 minutes later, a little bit lower, it's like yeah, the theta is burning. Like if it doesn't move quick enough, it's not It's not going to be anything. Oh, that's why it's shady. Okay. Sold out of my puts too. Sold for a bit of a loss. Hey, it is what it is. Hey, no problem, Ramiro. I'm still in my Amazon. But yeah, it's still moving up. Hey, like entry wise though, like if we look at the entry wise on that Amazon has moved enough to find a trend, and oh, we pretty much like got it like right at the bottom, like maybe a little bit off. It came down like maybe an extra dollar, but yeah, it's still moving, and playing the patience game with it. Try to benefit from that earnings run up. Oh, hold up. Is that Google trying to move? Okay, we're pulling back a little bit on some things. SoFi. Here, I'm not gonna do anything with SoFi. Oh, appreciate that, Incense. At work listening. Let's get this, Brad. Are you still? I didn't get in a SPY call. Silver put is down. Also on lift. But nah, I'm not in a SPY call. I see your other account, Incense. Buying MP. Here, let's see. MP is let's see his positioning. I know that's not a bad one either. With the government contracts and stuff. It's at a level. What just happened? It did just cross to the downside though. Here, but it is like pretty much it is like coming back from being oversold. Yeah, it could. It could. Let's try to see if there's like a yeah, there's a downtrend on this. Let's see like where this would need to go to kind of cut the oh, okay. It's like right there. Yeah, it could. Let's slide that over a little bit. Yeah, it's like right there. It might be getting ready. It might be. Yeah, it could. It could. Wait. Wait, let's slide this over a little bit more. Yeah, it's trying to cut that line. This might be a good swing right here. I mean, it is below all the EMAs, but like this trend line, if you want to take a chance, like I would say it's a good chance to take because the RSI is like trying to recover from being oversold. So this could be money. And then over the weekend, and then we have that like whole China situation. And you know, this is a materials company. Hold up. What the contract's looking like for this? Sometimes it might be more beneficial to go for well, no doubt it's more beneficial to go for a swing, but let's see. Well, the spreads are kind of nasty on it though. I'm trying to find like what's the top of this move? Okay. Yeah, I think I see something no one's looking at. How fast did it move up last time? This is Thursday to Tuesday. Thursday the 9th to Tuesday the okay. Hey, there's some potential there. Potential. I got my eye on the contract for that. Let me go on and add that to my watch list. It's like a way out of the money one. I'm not going to say anything about it yet, just in case I want to get in that. But let's see, MP. That's a Halloween contract. All right. There we go. April, top of the morning. Oh no, yeah, I closed out that put M cents. I closed it out today. Just just cause it doesn't look like it's happening. They're trying to kill the. Oh, that's sad. I have to drink this water. It's a lot of water. Ooh. Also want to check back in on that Google just to see how that's doing too. Oh, Google trying to move again. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's definitely slowed down. Man, these Fridays like to kill the contracts, man. And then Google or Amazon doesn't look like it's gonna do it today. Let's see. Go to the 1 hour chart. Micron going crazy. Lucky J, I ain't glad I can see some sunshine today because there's no sunshine here today. At least not right now. Like kind of stormed last night. Oh, it says there's a flood watch out here. It's supposed to rain later today too. Oh, let me send my wife the weather so she doesn't try to stay out too late. Need her to chill out. She be trying to do too much sometimes. It's like whenever she's trying to go places with her friends, the weather is it's like whenever she tries to do the most, the weather's the worst. And then whenever she's chilling, it's like oh yeah, it's a good time to go do something. Yes, sir, on Amazon, that entry, good stuff. Hey, yeah. No, yeah, good to go. Amazon, liking that. Yeah, I'm really just doing some looking right now. I'm not interested in Google anymore, or at least not for 0DT. I'm gonna be real, guys. I'm not sure I see anything that I want to take today. The MP that was presented to me, that Sigma Glock sent. Yo, what's your? I'm gonna have to click on your channel. I know who this is, but I don't know who it is because there's not like a picture. Let me see. Sigma Glock. Okay. Looks like I've seen the name before. But yeah, that Sigma Glock presented. That's the most interesting looking thing to me right now. You know what? Let's throw AMD back up. That's going up. Oh, hold up. Google trying to pull back some more. Just want to see if that contract ends up hitting. Nah, they are burning the theta just right on it. Buddha Dev, good morning. What is the next level? There is no next level of resistance. AMD's at all-time highs, so there's no next resistance level. AMD is in uncharted territory. I would usually you want to look to like whole numbers for resistance and whatnot. So it's like you can look at 252, then 253, then 254, then 255. Hey Tyler, good morning. Green Friday. It's looking very green. I see the family show 30 or 74% green. Ooh, my ear feeling weird. But yeah, family showed like 74% green. So it's looking like it. Good morning, Philip. Quick question on bull on 4 hour when EMA cross, does that mean it doesn't necessarily mean it's going up in the next 4 hours, but here let's look at bull real quick. Talk about what I see. Okay, so it's crossed up on that 1 hour. Let's see the 4. All right, so the 4 hasn't crossed up yet. So yeah, it's crossed up and bullish on the 1 hour. All right, so when it comes to giving a quick lesson, each like whatever time frame that you're charting on, they're kind of good for different. Here, I'm gonna go for that MP I was looking at. Let's see. I'm gonna just get it. I'm not getting any day trades. Oh dang, that jumped up. It like barely moved. That's okay. That's it's a wide spread, but that thing. Hold up. Let me go look at the option chain real fast. It just jumped up like 50 cents, and then they're like, "Oh yeah, let's jack up the price like 50%." All right, but what I was saying about the time frames and whatnot is each time frame is kind of good for a certain amount of time. Like if I see something on the 1 hour time frame, typically I'm looking for that trade to play out in about 6 hours or less. Whereas if I'm looking on the 4 hour time frame, I expect it to play out in like maybe like a week or so, maybe like 10 days, 10 days to a week. If I'm looking at something on the daily chart, I think like 2 weeks to a month. If I'm looking at something, oh yeah, hold up, MP is trying to go. It's still early enough. I'm gonna need that to chill out. get some light on it, maybe. Let me see. See what they're okay. They brought it back down. They brought it back down. That's cool. Yeah, they're trying to mess with the contract. All right, let's see. Yo, hold up. I like blinked and like got like eight chats. Okay, let's see. I did like the take Josh and Larry had on. I didn't see it. Buy the green daily candles for puts. Huh? The green daily candles. Let's see. So let's go to the daily. Let's look at her J. Buy the green daily candles for puts on quantum. Did I say like in this trend or? I'll have to see that. Good morning. I'm in SPY put. Should I hold or? That comes out to you. So I'm not a financial advisor. I cannot legally give financial advice. I don't know when you got in your SPY put either, or where you're targeting, or how much time you have on it. But I can tell you, I was in a SPY put this morning and I closed it out. That's all I can say about the SPY put. But yeah, I cannot legally give any financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, so I can't tell you what to do. And just tell you what I've done. But yeah, the SPY is in an uptrend on like all the time frames I can see right now, and is kind of in uncharted territory. So I don't necessarily see anything that would make me think it's coming down at the moment, if I'm being real. Ball leaps on TTD. I think TTD is good right now. Wait. Okay, I thought you were talking about a strike of $2,000. I was about to say, I'm like, oh, I'm like that is a strike for TTD, but nah, that sounds good. I think that'll pay. I use the 13, the 48, and the 200 EMAs. The blue one's going to be the 13. The kind of orangish yellow is going to be the 48, and the purple one's going to be the 200. $10 million for those quantum companies that are not for real. It really isn't. The Spider Cyrus. Hello. Yeah, it's kind of wild. I feel like here, let me click on your profile because all these different names are throwing me off. Cyrus, okay. Let's see. IMB getting or using chips from AMD. Oh, is that why AMD going loco today? Yeah, because AMD, oh, it's still going. It's still going. Hey, my portfolio is appreciating this move. Very much so appreciating this move. Oh, IBM. Okay, I was like, bro, I felt like IBM or MB had something to do with like movies or something. But IBM, okay, that's a bigger deal. So I just got in a 0 DTE call on HIMS. I'm gonna say MSense. I'm gonna say 9 times out of 10. The 0 D. I think it's dead. I'm gonna be real. I think it's dead. I don't think anything's gonna happen with that it does not look like they want to push anything. Like I haven't grabbed any 0 DTEs today because it's looking like they're just going to burn the contracts today. It's like they could move them, but it looks like they're just going to like burn things out and just let them expire. So my take is on that 0 DTE. If you want the money, take it, but I don't think Rigetti calls. So I don't like Rigetti calls unless it confirms above 43. It did get above 43 today, but then it came right back down. No confirmation. So you see I have this $43 level. It legit came here, sold off. That's why I didn't like the 43. I think if we zoom out, you can see we had some previous like selling pressure over here. All right, so now it's cool that we kind of like broke this. Now we want to see like a retest. I mean, we're at the EMAs. This isn't quite enough for me. That's on the 1 hour too. Yeah, I wouldn't make that move yet personally. They made the video last night. Basically, their take was until it closes a green weekly. Okay. Above the last weekly high. Whoa, wait, hold up. Actually, I'm not sure I'll watch it. Like, it's like, I want to say I'll watch it, but also I got a lot to do. And I'll probably forget about it. Like, I want to make some stuff for YouTube, and I got a video I want to make for the WAP. And I got some Amazon stuff. And then my wife will probably be home and want to do something. Thoughts on Bob? Henry, that's not the stock to ask me about. I'm gonna be real. Every time I look at Baba, like the way I look at stocks, just the way it gaps and everything, it really throws me off. So I don't really. I mean, it looks bullish. Yeah, it looks like it definitely has good trend. I can't really say much beyond that. Like I still like upside. I like the continuation. It is like at like a like kind of it could be sweeping this other level over here, but Baba is not the stock to ask me for anything with confidence. It's like my thing is, yo, when it comes to an undeniable pullback level, like if we catch it pull back to this 165, it's like, oh yeah, that's a good area to pick up. Or it pulls back to this 200 EMA. Oh yeah, that's a good area to pick up. But Tesla questioned by U.S. Auto Safety Agency about Mad Max FSD. What is this? Hold on, let me see what's up with that. What is Mad Max FSD? Oh, I have questions now. Hold up. Let me look that up. Let's Mad Max FSD. Oh, it ignored speed limits. Wait, hold up. Oh, that's crazy. Mad Max got the little cowboy hat on too. When Tesla releases Mad Max Mode full self-driving system, excitement builds among drivers. While Mad Max Mode ignores speed limits, it may pose a serious concern in terms of road safety and may fall short in terms of meeting regulatory requirements. Okay, yeah, okay. That is kind of wild that they just straight up throw that. And I was like, oh, Mad Max Mode. I feel like some people live on Mad Max Mode. Let's see. The fact that you remember people by their profile. Hey, yeah, it's like yeah, try my best. Try my best. Especially like the ones around from the start. Never forget. Never forget where you came from. AMD. I hadn't even looked at IBM. My goodness. Wait, oh yeah, they straight up did. Oh, you know what? I did see this. I saw this like yesterday or something. Yeah, because they had earnings. Yeah, and they were kind of popping off that yesterday too. Neo peaked and then fell. Oh, is Neo something we're looking at again? Is that a move again? Oh, hold on. We definitely drew a trend line on Neo. It seems a little off though. It looks like it got here. Let's look at it on the daily. Oh, pull up wrong one. Yeah, it's like these Chinese stocks. Their trends often look a little weird. Let's see what happened. I feel like I still like that one more. Yeah, I don't know. Paid $3 for it. Yeah, I don't think anything's gonna happen with that. Got some nice wait. Okay, got some nice covered calls to sell on Wolf around. Hey, let's look. Let's look around 15 to 16. Okay. Wait, covered calls. Good stuff. Good stuff. Hey, that's great. That's very well executed. Regardless. No, the Neo comment was in reference to quantum. What's Neo have to do with quantum? Wait, okay, here let me see. Neo peaked and then fell, then will come back a little and then fall deep. Yeah, I don't fully understand if I'm being real. So no, what did you Henry, I don't know what you're fully saying about Rigetti, but it's like it was a no-go for me because we looked at the chart and it came to the area where if we came above that, I would be like, yo, I was cool with like going for a call, but it rejected. So as of right now, it's like kind of coming back. Like this is very top heavy, and I'm not sure if you were on the call for like what the candlesticks, but this is a reversal candle. This is a very bearish candle itself. Like this is showing how strong the sellers are, and I would expect more pushing down. So we might come fill in this gap to 36. It would not surprise me. Been researching the Tesla vision technology. Elon's take is that advanced cameras and AI brains are superior to LiDAR. I don't see, honestly, I don't even I would love to hear your research because it's like I feel like it all goes bad like once you after a certain point because it's like they're the cameras are looking through like what would be similar to our eyes, but in certain there are certain situations where our eyes can't give us anything, and it's like it's probably best to not move at all. I don't know. Let's see. Pull up. Trying to wait again for SPY to hit support so I can get in calls, but it's looking like today is looking like it's looking like there's nothing there. It's like, oh, maybe you come back around for the end of the day, but I'm gonna say probably is just going to be nothing. Let me see if I got filled on MP. Kind of tough to convey that chat for. Sorry. Oh, no worries. On the thinking about Palantir put for the day. Honestly, like, actually, you said Palantir put. I would say like a swing put on Palantir could be in order, but like in actually they already kind of started. Looks like they already kind of started moving down. But it could still potentially be in order. Like it's not the worst move of swing put, because Palantir has really been moving between this 171 range and this, like, this, the top end of the range is kind of like wider, but if we zoom out to the daily, we can see that most of the stuff up here has brought us one back down to this like 171 range or whatnot. So that could be in order. If you read my comments fully, it makes a little more sense. Neofall, yes. Okay, I got you. I got you. You were comparing the two. Okay. Thanks, Phillips. Question kind of helped me understand a little bit. Bought a swing put a couple of minutes ago. Hey, I hope that works out. Let's see. It's like it very well could work out. The Oklo. Let's see. Let's see how it's moving. I mean, yeah, that might work out for you with the trend. Yeah, it's pretty close to the trend line, so I think Neo will explode to a new level before quantum stocks do, though, because one is used on a regular and the other one is not. Thought Neo wasn't like, I don't know, maybe I haven't looked at their or like really heard anything about their financials in I don't know how long, so I don't even know how Neo's doing. I know they were being supported by the government, but Intel is too. But now I know Neo wasn't even profitable. I hope it gets rejected, and also I want some up. Yeah, I hope it rejects too. I would like to see it come down. I feel like I think I was attracted to like the 112 area or 104, I guess, on Oklo. Talking about the EV market in general. Oh, okay. Bro, I want them to I don't know, I want the EV market to get more competitive. I want a BYD vehicle. Shoot. They trying to make Tesla seem cool. I'm like, yo, let me get a BYD. I got a Tesla, but yo, yeah, let me get a BYD. Those are the real ones. Have to leave early. Hey, have a blessed day, these curves. Enjoy your day. Get that bread. Hey, hopefully the market decides, hey, we want to speed up. But if it doesn't want to speed up, then oh. Also just update on MP. It looks like it's rejecting. I might cancel that order if it hasn't gone in. Oh, hasn't gone in. I'm gonna cancel that. Yeah, cancel my MP order. They were trying to scam on the contract anyway. Oh, also, just a question to those y'all listening: have y'all been getting ads while we've been on stream? Aside from when you first clicked on the video, just cause I don't know. It's like I know if I don't turn ads on a YouTube video, YouTube is still gonna play ads. But I feel like it's my understanding that if I leave it on manual mode during the stream, it's not going to give y'all ads in the middle of the stream unless I do it. Okay, that's good. Good to know. Good to know. Yeah, because it's like I don't want y'all to get slapped with ads while I'm talking. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Good stuff. Good stuff. Cause I was gonna say if y'all were getting the ads anywhere, I was gonna be like, hey, let me turn those back on. Cause I'm like, yo, if somebody is getting the money, give it here. You know, it's not really for the live streams. The YouTube videos, I'm not gonna the ad revenue from the YouTube videos, it's all right. But the live streams, nah, ain't even worth all that. I still got some water. No, honestly, hey, yeah, it's like if you want to watch the YouTube videos, hey, yeah, that must be adding up. But nah, live streams, it's really not worth its worth because it's like an ad will pop up and then people be like, oh, I missed what you said. Like it's like somehow like the ads like YouTube is like watching, like the algorithm's like watching, and it's like, all right, he's about to answer a question they really wants to answer to. Throw an ad there, and then it's like people come back to the stream and they're like, "What'd you say? I missed it." And I'm like, "That was a very long explanation. I don't feel like doing it again." So it's like, it's not worth it. Yeah, I don't think anything is gonna happen. Are there any earnings, y'all? Let's just sit here and kind of like, is there anything y'all are like looking out for, like any earnings or anything like that? Let's look at EPS whispers because we just here chilling right now. It's not really much going on. Let's see what we got this month. I will say it feels that like, yeah, the algorithm knows when people. Yes, that is that is exactly how they place those. It was like, oh, people want to hear this. Like, can we zoom out on this? Oh, there we go. They're like, people want to hear this. Let's get it going, or let's get the ad going. Wait, that's July. I feel like there's one where they have like a monthly calendar. I don't see the monthly calendar. What's this? Oh, that's for a specific date. Guess not. Okay. What is this? There's no question that tariffs at 25% level from Canada and Mexico, if they're protracted, would have a huge impact on our industry with billions of dollars of industry profits wiped out and an adverse effect on U.S. jobs as well as the entire value system in our industry. How it's going. I also want to thank the president and his team for the important tariff updates they made on Friday. The MSRP offset program will help make the U.S. produce vehicles more competitive over the next 5 years, and GM is well positioned as we invest to increase our already significant domestic sourcing and manufacturing footprint. We appreciate the administration's ongoing support for American. Okay, cool. So things aren't as bad as they have made us seem like they thought. All right, let's see. Okay, looking forward to N phase and CMG. Here, let's see. I have not looked at either one of those, so let's start off with N phase. So their earnings is on Tuesday. Their last earnings they beat, but they wait, hold up. Yeah, they beat, but they sold off hard. They must have like guided down or something before they. Okay. Yeah, they've been moving down. Yeah, they've just been steady moving down. Okay. So in phase, they're like really down here. All right, so let's get a sense of where they are on the monthly. Dang, they've been on a journey. Okay, so they're down here. Next kind of key level that I'm seeing from where they are, there are a lot of buyers at the 2252 level. So if for any reason we see in phase at that, let's get that there. Should we get some time, that level should lead to a pretty solid move. At least I would say that. Ooh, that's a decent move. I would expect that to at least be able to lift us on the more conservative end up to like 50, but at least to like maybe $59, $60. Should this not go well and us pull back there. So I got an alert set there. That's a decent move right there. And I would expect that move over a few weeks. All right. And that would probably that would lead to some kind of trend change on the short term. This almost looks like just a continuous down monthly wise. That's kind of bad. But, all right. Yeah, I don't really. Yeah, have much to say. I bought one leap for now just in case it runs up. If it pulls up, I'm ready to buy. Ain't no problem. CMG, let's see. MG. This one's been on a journey. I've never really been able to trade this one intraday. Areas of interest coming up if it pulls back to. Oh, right here. That's I guess 35.53. This is a strong demand zone. It's already it's already at the top of the demand zone, but so it's already at a good kind of buy area or a good area to start accumulating. But because this is a massive bullish range right now, the bullish range is from this low at 35, 38, all the way up to this high over here at 69. So it's a fat range. But yeah, this is an amazing level to buy right here. This 35, 38. If we get a monthly candle close below this, that'll be like a break of structure. So then it might be in a downtrend, but other than that, it's like oh, hold up. I need to communicate something to my wife. 1 second. I'll be right back. Be right back. Hey, what's up, Patrick? I'll be right back. CMG is more of a protection play to diversify my portfolio. Most of my holdings are. That's not a bad idea. But CMG does have its competition out there for sure. Know that. Dominique. Oh shoot. Okay. Oh, you said Netflix. Yeah, the Netflix is down. I did I did call out the win to take profits yesterday, but yeah, that Netflix is gone. I called out the risk on it and everything. And yeah, that's just how it appears to go. Let's see. But similar plan for it, I thought. About one lead. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff. Yeah, I do feel like the Netflix is a good pickup. It might be becoming a better pickup now, but that's wild. All right, we got the SPY like over here at highs again. Just trying to get up there. Oh, I gotta send my wife a screenshot. What is this email? Yo, why are my photos not working? There we go. All right, Aqua trying to push up. Oh shoot! Hey, appreciate that, Patrick. Yeah, shout out to Patrick. Hey, giving the gift of membership. Let's see. Baba looking good. Let's see. And congratulations, Kwame, Tay, Prince, M-Sense. Wait, what's the hey, what you doing the little period for, M-Sense? Enjoy the content. Yeah. Oh yeah, hit that like button, family. Yeah, now y'all get access to the morning watch list. Assuming y'all are looking at the community tab. If you don't look at the community tab, yo, look at the community tab. Before the market opens. Tony Math, what's up? Yeah, I'm still in the Amazon call. I am still in the Amazon call. It's moving. The contract itself has been up and down. I think it's a little in the green. Actually, let me see where it's at. Yeah, it should be a little in the green, but yeah, I'm still in it. Like if we look at Amazon, it's doing the right things. It should get a juice on premium next week. Forgot what my expiration was. I can't remember if for that one I got the here. Let's see. Oh yeah, I got the. Yeah, if it can hold this trend, I'll likely like still try to like hold that into earnings or hold that through earnings unless Amazon is like up. Oh, okay. Okay, I feel you, M Sense. I got you. Yeah, that is the date. November 7th. Yep, I got that for Amazon, for Meta. Okay, SPY is at new high of day. So, all right, let's see. Let's see if it can confirm up here. If it confirms up here, this is a breakout. If not, we might this might, for those of you wanting a short, be your chance. I wouldn't look for like a crazy short, but if you're trying to look for shoot, I might be we still got like 38 minutes on stream. We might be able to take a day trade, a little zero DTE potentially. Go for a little quicken. It's the delta. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. What's the range? This is like okay. All right, let me go to the different time frames. Let's bring this one to. Let's make this a SPY on the 5. Focus in a little bit more. See how we're looking. Okay, yeah, we got a nice little expansion on the 5 right there. Looks like GG for today. Potentially. We'll see. I'm not hey, this might be the saving grace right here. I got like $30 or so I'd be willing to throw at a zero DT. I kind of hope we confirm though. Made $4. Hey, way to get the money. Oh, the things you can buy with $4. Yo, I hadn't had my blue light glasses on today. What am I doing? Yo, I got some more blue light glasses sent to me. I'm gonna have to. I haven't tried them on yet though. I hadn't opened them, but I got them last night. I'm gonna end up trying them out today. I don't like that color right now. AMD shares climbed to a new intraday high. Yeah, they did. Hey, I'm here for the success of AMD. Hey, TGIF, let's go. M-Cent Silver and SPY both are still moving up. Yeah, the market likes to do that. So they'll eventually like move the way they should, but especially on Fridays, you'll see some erraticness from the market. These Amazon calls though, let's see. Yeah, hey, that entry. I hope y'all got better strikes than me, cause it's like I think the move so far. Yeah, that's like a $12 move. What's that? Like a week? Yeah, it's been a week. Hey, what's up? What's up, Yoko? What's up? I don't think I've seen that name today. What's up? And if he says something, I think YouTube's suppressing you. They said no Yoko. We gotta limit Yoko. But Yoko can't be limited. Y'all need to hear. Let me stand up. I've been sitting down all day. I need to get more of those firefly things. Low-key, I might order some right now because my legs are tight. I'm not recovering at the pace that I like to recover at. Let me see. Hey, nothing much. Just here looking at the stockers. Oh yeah, Spy trying to put on another one. 51 viewers going. Hey, appreciate that, Kevin. Used to. Oh, I think it's So we're gonna have more viewers on Friday than we are during the week because we got the private streams on Monday through Thursday. Bro, been busy at work for the last month, bro. Hey, it be like that. Hey, but this is a blessing you got a job though, because I know a lot of people who don't anymore, and they're having to scramble to figure stuff out. So hey, that's a blessing. I will say, I don't know what your situation is, but it's like, hey, while you are, I'm not saying you're not doing this. I would assume you are because like look where you are. But make sure you get ready so you don't have to get ready. Or stay ready so you don't have to get ready. But if you're not ready already, you gotta get ready so you don't have to get ready. And then when you get ready, stay ready. Cause it's like they pulling things out left and right. It does look like things, and from my standpoint, things should be on the up and up a little bit with them cutting rates, but also they're cutting jobs at the same time. So I don't know. We got a minute till Euro close, by the way. Might see a little more volume here. I don't know. We'll see. Usually give it like a few minutes. All right, so let's see where we close. We're about to close on the 15. Then we got another 15-minute candle, and we'll see if this candle confirms anything or not. Get ready to stay ready. Yes, sir, Philip. Like Philip was getting ready when he bought all that wolf. He's like, yo, let me get ready. He's like, hey, it's going up. He's like, let me get ready. Hey, Philip, every day Philip's on here talking about wolf. I'm like, what is wolf? He's like, it's going up. I'm like, I don't know. And then like, next thing, Wolf's going crazy. I'm like, yo, where's this man Philip? Where's this man Philip? And then Philip just kicked back chilling. He's like, bro, don't mind me sending all my wolf money. And yeah, Philip got ready. And now he's ready. You got a standing desk. Thinking of getting a standing desk and have a wall. So yeah, I got a video of my desk setup. It's kind of changed a little bit, but I got a video of my desk setup on my channel. I'll drop the link real quick. Let me see. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, I've definitely like moved some things around and like changed it, but most of it I would say is still the same. Let's see. That was from like 7 months ago. My standing desk setup 2025. Yeah, I definitely don't have that mic anymore. It was kind of annoying. Oh, Yo, to those y'all that don't know, I got like a sauna, like a full-on sauna right here beside me. It's so weird seeing that video without this stuff beside me. Here, let me post that. So that's the video link, just for the record. That big data center transition the miners are making. Iron and Wolf, bro. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get in a little heavier on those. Thinking of getting and have a walking. So I get like walking treadmills come through, and I'll like rotate them out. I want to move to a larger space because low-key I got this couch in here. It's a little too big for this room, but I like love this couch and have nowhere to put it. So I'm kind of just like holding on to it in this room, but I need like a larger space, which is it's a bad problem to have. It's like, we don't want to like just give in to inflation all the time, but it's like, yo, this couch is like perfect for whenever I need to recharge or anything. And it takes up like 99% of the operational space. Okay, that's exaggerating. 99%. I would say like a solid like 20 to 25% of the operational space in this room, and it blocks a lot of things. So I need some space. AMD trying to send me shopping for the. Oh no, I'm holding on to that. I'm waiting on. See, my plan for AMD: hold my shares, let some stock splits happen, and then next thing you know, I'm selling premium on those in the future. But yeah, AMD is trying to allow for some shopping for some kids. Yo, it's almost that time too. It's almost that time. Okay, wait, hold up. So SPY pulling back a little bit. I don't think I'm that put I was talking about. I don't think it's gonna happen. I don't think so. It doesn't look like that strong. The volume is low. So you're talking about Google. So the further into the day we get, the less I like it, just because of the fact that like the majority of the brokerages close you out 30 minutes before close. So zero DTEs get a lot riskier, and then also just like the pacing of things. I'm personally probably done. Like unless I find something for like next week or some like just looking ahead, I'm probably done when it comes to. Hold up. I think somebody just sent something. Yeah, that's Fridays. They're kind of like the biggest gotcha days for the market. It's like there can like they can be good paydays, but nah, most of the time they're like, haha, gotcha. You said think we missed the Rigetti play. Kavan, what Rigetti play were you looking at? Like, were you looking upside or downside? because I think there is still more to occur, but it really just depends on what you're looking at. Like I don't think today was the day, but I think there is plenty more money to be had on this. Oh, to the downside? I wouldn't fully go for it to the downside either. While it's above this trend line, I don't necessarily love it to the, like in between this level, the 4301 and the $39 area. I don't really love downside. Like it's like this candle is above the trend line, but also like it so like if I were just looking at candles and I didn't know this trend line existed, I'd probably be looking at it coming back to fill this gap, which is a possibility. So like just looking at the candle alone and like ignoring the trend line, I would say, yo, it's probably coming in to fill this gap. And then also just kind of like looking at this, like it got above the trend line, but this kind of looks like it's a fake out on the trend line too. So I wouldn't say the downside play is gone. I'm just saying like because it's there, I don't have the comfort of taking it. That's not like as high a probability as I want. But I would say like it looks like there's a good chance that it'll end up doing that thing. Hey, can you tell me what you think of a line? I've been buying a dollar cost. Here, let's see. I feel like I've heard some things about them before. Let's see. I feel like did they used to be a lot less, or I guess they used to be. Right now looks like a really good level. Like just like technically based off the weekly, like this looks like a really good buying level. They have earnings on Wednesday. Shoot, maybe. Yeah, yeah. What are their what would a cheapie be like for this? Let's see. I might want to. Like it's at a really good level. Yeah, Netflix is going back down. Yeah, I'm not gonna look to ride Netflix down anymore though. Netflix let's see. I didn't say Siri. Netflix. If we look, I was kind of eyeing the next area I was looking at was gonna be this I guess like 1083. Then we got like this 1076. And then if things really get nasty, there's this trend line. This is like if we touch this trend line, it's like yo, go in, go in. But Netflix isn't one I really watch day to day. It was one I just like where it was yesterday. It looked like a good opportunity. I thought with the speed it was gonna like pop up a little higher. It didn't. But that contract still when I alerted y'all, what was that like 1 one something, one. Let me see. Oop, hold up. I would have sold out if I could have, but I couldn't. Yeah, it was up 125%. But yeah, I don't mess with Netflix like that unless it's cheap because the contracts are very pricey. Only time to get it cheap is on Thursday and Friday. But I don't think it's going to be enough to move because there's an insane amount of contracts at 1100. So I would argue that it expires above 1100. All right, let's see. I was considering grabbing a couple yesterday, but it went down to 197, and it's still around the same today. Yeah, it's like I was just grabbing for the one today. Let's see. What happened to the Matthew Manuel gift membership? I clicked on it once I came back in the office, but it had disappeared. I don't know. So I think the gift membership was that was Patrick. So what happens is Patrick gifted 5 memberships, and the people who got it were Lucky J got it, C Harris, Kwame, Tay De and Prince David got it. So those 5 people got it. It just shows in the chat. That's all. So it's like I think it's like random who gets it whenever it's gifted, but that's I think that is what happened with those. Man, that line hasn't been that low. Yup. 2020 levels with your investments and trades. Signing off. Hey, peace out, Philip. Have a blessed day. Big Reg, when you said which ones did you get, are you talking about Netflix? I think yesterday Netflix I got 11:30 calls expiring today, and I think I paid like what I pay. Let me see. So I paid like 156, and then when I told everyone, I said update on Netflix. Anyone that took a similar trade, make sure it closes green. It was up to like 352 per share. That's hey, appreciate that, Patrick. Yeah, definitely appreciate that. Like getting the little gifts out there for the family. Big time appreciate you. Jetty about at this $40 level. All right, SPY. Hold up. Let me pull the SPY back. All right, family. Yeah, I don't think anything's happening. Unless they try to like run it up on us in the last 30 minutes after the contracts get closed. So yeah, if anybody has any like solid like stock questions or anything, or just charting questions, I feel like now would be a good time. Great time. Okay. That's a good stretch right there. Oh, I did not drink all this water. I said I need to drink. I'm about to drink a lot of water. Got a lot of water to drink before the stream's over. All right, that's one. All done. Let me put that away to get washed. Very welcome. Any stocks that I'm dollar cost right now? I'm dollar cost averaging into Adobe. I like UPS, but yeah, right now I'm just dollar cost averaging into Adobe. I feel like there's some other ones that I want to. All right, so I've been using this website MarketWatch. It's been doing a good job of putting things in front of me that I'd be interested in kind of averaging down into. So Adobe's on here. I was already averaging down into it beforehand, but I like this one. What is it? You got Google on here, AMD on here. Shows all these being good for like long-term wealth. All right. Hey, appreciate that, Ramiro. Thank you. All right, let's see. Do you ever use fixed range volume? No, I don't. Yeah, I believe there is, I don't know. It's like I know a lot of different trading strategies, a lot of different trading tools, but there comes a point when it's like you know more than enough. And it's like when you know too much, you can kind of overcomplicate everything. So my biggest struggle is not overcomplicating things, and it's like honestly, like with the live streams, it can be kind of tough because it's like when I come in and I'm focused on like one thing, one stock, or maybe a couple, I'm a lot better trader. But then it's like I'll have a lot of y'all come through and like throw all these different stocks, or y'all be like, oh, this one's taking off. Oh, this one's taking off. And it's like distracting me from like, oh, wow, there was a clear, obvious setup on this stock I was looking at. So it's like trying to keep things simple and whatnot. Oftentimes, like even just trading things like support and resistance, that'll pay a bag. Like it's like some of the days where we're hitting, I'm just trading from one level to another, and it's like I'm not being greedy, and it's like, oh yeah, it works out. And like after effect, it really just kind of comes down to like knowing how to select a contract and like not being greedy, like having a area where you like to enter, an area where you like to exit, and then just move on. So no, I don't use fixed range volume profile. Thoughts on the bottom of Chewy? I mean, we can take a look at Chewy. Let's see. So we'll have to go back and look at history. I don't know. Right now, support's going to be in this like kind of 3460 down to 34 area. Yeah, it really looks like it's consolidating. So there's like a range, but I'll say like 34 looks like a decent support, but it could definitely fall a lot more as well. Like it looks like it could be breaking a trend line to the downside potentially. Like I don't know, like if I try to, yeah, it looks like it could be on the lower side of a trend line or something. So it could be going down because it's under the 200. It's below all the moving averages on the weekly. So it could have like if we try to draw from the top up here, Chewy could be kind of starting to descend. I was thinking of ANC holding. I'm Kavan, I'm gonna say AMC don't do that. Like I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but don't do that. AMC is trash. Um, just purely because of the CEO. Anytime AMC goes up to being anything, they offer more shares. AMC has kind of like betrayed, like it betrays like its shareholders, like the people that want value and whatnot. So if you want to watch your money burn and go to zero, AMC. But I would, me personally, I would not do it. Like AMC is not the one for that. I would look for something that is like pretty much like most of the stuff that you see on this list right here. You're probably going to be a lot better holding than AMC, but I would not. Yeah, I truly. That is like one place I know your money would get burnt up. It does have its random pops every now and then, but like even if we like look at the chart, this is insanity. All right, so there was a AMC, there was a AMC GME short squeeze. So yo, down here it's at 14. Ooh, rockets up to like 93. Then there's a, meanwhile, I want to say like the prices that it's showing now, we never saw these actual prices on AMC. What happens is the price gets so low, they reverse stock split it. So while this says it's like 14, this was really like maybe $2 or like 50 cents. And it shows, oh, this pushed up as high as 112. It might have been like, I don't know, maybe $20 at the time. And this push up here where it shows like 400, this may have been like $40. And now AMC is at like $2.17. This might be, or yeah, this might be the equivalent of 27 cents back then before they reverse stock split it. Yeah, because over here, yeah, they had a 1 to 10 reverse stock split. 1 to, says, I think it's a reverse split that happened. So they put some shares together. But yeah, AMD or AMC is, yeah, just continuously getting lower and lower. Please don't do that to your money. Oh, Amazon is back above the level. Let me come down to a lower time frame. Yeah, but I appreciate the streams. I know you're talking about taking time to share. I appreciate you big time, Romero, and you're very welcome, Will, to the fee. Yeah, I'm about to get on this little vibration plate for a moment. So if it sounds like I'm shaking, or if you hear some vibration in my voice, that's what's going on. Just get that on, going. We got the stream about to end, but since we're about done, you said switching computers. I thought one was like your phone and one was like your TV or something. Yeah, y'all might hear me. Patrick said I got smashed by AMC. Yeah, honestly, there was a point. I'm not sure if it was when all that was going on, but yeah, there was a point like in the market. I think like 2021 or 2022, when we just started going up, I didn't understand that. I'm like, I was seeing all the news and whatnot, and I was thinking, yo, why are we not going down? And we're getting all this bad news. But like, there's a level of informedness you need to have in the market, because it's like, what is it? Yo, when they were doing quantitative easing, I had no idea what that was. I'm like, oh, they're injecting money into the markets so that they'll go up to stimulate the economy. I was like, oh, that's why everything's going up and it doesn't seem to make sense. And I didn't really learn about it till after the fact. So, there's a reason they say the more you learn, the more you earn. Gotta keep learning. Yeah, it was about the diamond hands, and it was, hey, yeah, it's like, yo, get the money you need out first. Yeah, that whole movement and the diamond hands thing, it's like, that's cool and all if you're already like set up, but if you got family, you got needs, and they got needs and stuff, or if you got needs and they're not taken care of, it's like they tell you on the airplane, like, secure your little mask thing before you secure the person next to you. It said MP's moving. My chart's saying it doesn't want to look at it now. Oh, there it is. Yeah, there it goes. Oh, maybe should have got that. Yeah, MP's on the move. It does look like it's breaking. Yeah, it's above that 200 and that 13. Oh, should have got that contract. Yeah. Curious what that contract I was looking at is going for. Yeah, I'm definitely still shaking. Oh, what? Hold up. Oh, that's for the 0 DTA. I was about to say, I'm like, yo, it's like way cheaper. Oh yeah, it's going for a little more now. What do I think of the Trump 401k? I think it's a cool idea. I feel like there was I heard something that seemed negative about it. I don't remember what it was though. But I think it's kind of a cool idea. But everything has its benefits and drawbacks. So I don't know. But I like the idea of it. Especially if you can't really, like, as a parent, if you can't pull out of it, that's good. because I think that'll incentivize the right people to I don't know, have kids. It seems like it's not up to me who it's not up to me to say who should and shouldn't be having kids. But and it's like, remember that. Like I just said, it's not up to me to say who should and shouldn't be having kids. But it seems like the people who cannot provide for themselves and probably should not have so many kids have the most kids, and the people who can provide for themselves and can take on children and probably should be having more children. Oh, hold on one sec. You said you don't know if it's your headset, but my mic sounds crazy. Honestly, it's probably me shaking on this. It's probably me on this vibration plate. So that's probably what it was. I'm holding it in my hand now. I don't know if it sounds better, but yeah, I was just trying to get a little bit of a shake in. I'll turn that off or stop it because the stream's about over now. Yeah, we got Amazon. Amazon trying to push up a little bit though. All right, well, it might be trying. This would be an attempt at confirmation. So Amazon might go for it and run. Spy might go for it and run too. Yeah, we might get a push here, y'all. It's like I'm about to get off, so this is going to do it for the day. But it might be this. Just want to let y'all know it might you might have a little push. Let's see. Maurice and video is going nowhere. Let's see. I ain't going nowhere, so you can get to know me. Let's see. I mean, video. Hey, video's chilling. It's chilling. It's good movement, actually. Good movement on Nvidia. But yeah, with that being said, family, that's going to do it for the day. It does look like things might want to start moving to the upside. So it's like, if you wanted to take a chance on a call, maybe, maybe I would say watch the trend, maybe on a lower time frame. Watch it closely, but it would not surprise me if we just kind of slowly kept moving up for the rest of the day. With that being said, I appreciate each and every one of y'all for stopping by. I truly enjoy each and every one of y'all coming through for the streams. Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. Peace out, Patrick. Peace out, Anella. Peace out, Yoko. Peace out, Edward. Peace out, Will to the feed. Peace out, Isaiah. I think you were just lurking, but peace out. Peace out, Kavan. Peace out, Ramiro. Peace out, M-Sense. Peace out, Yoko. Peace out, Tyler. Peace out, Maurice. Peace out, Lucky J. Peace out, Natasha. Peace out, Kong. Yeah. With that being said, hope each and every one of y'all have a blessed day, blessed weekend. Peace out, Big Reg. Hey, y'all. Hey, if y'all haven't, check out Big Reg BBT. He be having podcasts. Be having podcasts on Fridays. It is Friday. Yo, check it out. Check it out. Peace out, JoJo. And yeah, that being said, Matthew Mayo signing off, and I want to change your life. Peace out, family.